A descriptive paragraph helps a reader see, hear, smell, taste, or feel a person, place, or object in a clear and vivid way. It does not only give facts, it creates a picture. A strong descriptive paragraph often uses sensory details. Sight can describe color, shape, size, light, and movement. Sound can describe noise, music, silence, or rhythm. Smell can bring strong memories to life. Taste can describe sweet, bitter, salty, or spicy flavors. Touch can describe smooth, rough, warm, cold, soft, or hard surfaces. The best descriptive writing chooses specific words. Instead of saying a room is nice, a writer might say the room is bright, warm, and filled with sunlight. Instead of saying a dog is big, a writer might say the dog is a tall, shaggy golden retriever with muddy paws and a friendly smile. Many descriptive paragraphs are organized spatially. That means the writer describes things in a physical order. For example, the writer may move from top to bottom, left to right, near to far, or from the front of a room to the back. This order helps the reader follow the description easily. Imagine a kitchen described from top to bottom. First, the writer mentions the hanging metal lamps and the steam rising near the ceiling. Next, the shelves with glass jars and bright red spices are described. Then the wooden table, smooth from years of use, appears in the center. Finally, the reader notices the cool tile floor and the low hum of the refrigerator. Here is another example using sensory detail and spatial order. The garden begins with tall sunflowers shaking above the fence. Below them are green tomato plants and small purple flowers. Near the path, the soil smells damp after rain. A bee buzzes softly, and the leaves feel wet and cool to the touch. Farther away, the garden fades into trees and afternoon light. To write a strong descriptive paragraph, start with a clear topic. Choose a person, place, or object. Then decide what the reader should notice first, second, and third. Use precise adjectives and verbs. Add sensory details that are relevant, but do not overload the paragraph with every detail you can think of.